Come here. It's okay. It's okay. I got you.
Dane's car is walking.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay. It's okay. You're okay.
What's that noise?
It's an earthquake. We're okay.
Look.
We're okay.
Courtesy of our Earth Cam partners, which is just a little bit down the coast, not necessarily in the vicinity for this tsunami warning, but you can see some of those large cruise ships in the distance, potentially some off the coast there that will have to be aware of what's going on. The U.S. Geological Survey recorded the earthquake off Sand Point, which is located at the center of the Alaska Peninsula, just about 12:30. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration issued a tsunami warning for the majority of Alaska's peninsula, spanning up into the southernmost part of Alaska's mainland toward Anchorage. A major earthquake capable of causing, quote, serious damage is considered having a magnitude above 7. Only about 10 to 15 earthquakes of this caliber are reported each year, so not necessarily rare, but unusual. Let's take you right now out to our Fox weather team, that they're also tracking this here on Live Now from Fox.
Tsunami warning has been issued for this area. Tune to your local radio station for